money, 80 grand cash.
Throw it over. Then I give you that. I'm sorry. First of all, good morning. We didn't get your name last time. Chow. Leslie Chow. Mr. Chow, it is a pleasure. My name is Stu. And we would very much appreciate an opportunity to see you before we give you the money, just to verify that you're okay. If that's...
I like getting some cream.
Of course, Stu. That is cool. Gotcha!